everyone, welcome back to RTS, and what are we going to do today? It is week 3, my favorite number, yes, my favorite number in the world, number 3, week 3 of our summer space shape-up. Yes, so how did week 1 and week 2 go for you? Leave it in the comment section below. If you need any help, need any advice, need some motivation, no look any further. Just leave it in the comment section below. Myself or someone, my lovely subscribers, someone will help you get on track. Okay, so before we start week 3, we need to look at week 1 and week 2. Because remember what I said, if we don't keep revisiting and keep in shape on some of the things we already did, we're not going to be able to scrapbook. And we want to scrap and craft this summer. Yes, so what are we going to revisit? 1, okay, desk. Look to the left, look to the right. What does not belong here? Okay, and what are you going to do? You're going to throw it in your bin or your basket, and we'll address that later. Okay, what did I throw in there? Kleenexes, a project I have coming up, and some little goodie. So just throw them in there, okay? We will address that. That's all you got to do. Just get it off your desk because you don't need to see it. We'll address that later. Okay, so what do we need to revisit again? Cardstock. Okay, if you see any cardstock laying around, you're going to keep putting it all in one place or keep putting it away. You don't just keep making another pile of cardstock, okay? So, number 1, get your desk. Keep going. Keep looking at that desk. Keep doing your cardstock. And the last thing is you need to keep putting your inspiration away, whatever it is. See, I have some I got to go put away again because I get it out and then I don't put it back. But if we keep revisiting it, then, we'll keep our desk in shape for the summer. So, your desk, cardstock, sketches. That's what we're going to revisit. Okay, so now, what are we going to do for week 3? Okay, now I'm going to have a level 2, so stick with me if you have a little more energy, if you have a little more time this week. Okay, so what are we going to do? First thing we're going to do is we're going to address a handful. And I literally mean a handful, and that's it. Not a whole big grouping. Just a handful of photos, and that means either putting this away or maybe getting some off of your phone. Wouldn't that be great? Maybe ordering some photos, or it doesn't have to be a whole 400 photo order, maybe just 25. Or do you have some in your car, in your purse, on your countertop? Address it however you want to do it. The next thing we want to do for you gals that go to crops and you scrapbook away. I scrap when I travel. So do you have any bags or boxes or bin or crop bags that's sitting around from your last trip or crop and you haven't addressed it? Yeah, time to open that up and see what's in there. Now, some of you will continuously leave a crop bag packed, and those are your crop supplies. So just leave that packed, but maybe look through it. Is there anything that don't belong in there? That type of thing. Give it some attention. And then this is probably going to affect all of us. You know what we're going to do? We're going to see if we have any shopping bags. Do we have any shopping bags sitting in our space? Okay, you need to address them. Figure out what's in them, where it needs to go, and you need to get rid of these bags. Now, I can't show you what's in this bag because this bag is a giveaway coming up. So, you know what that means. Hit that notification button, be a subscriber, because I have a giveaway coming up, and it's a nice giveaway. It's it's a special giveaway. Okay, so crop bags, shopping bags, grocery bags, handbags, anything you need to address. Get these bags off the floor, and then, let's be honest, if some of you gals have shopping bags in your car, then you need to get them out and get them addressed. Okay, so the last thing we're going to do, not only is number 3 my favorite number, but my favorite category in scrapbooking and paper crafting is paper. That is what we're going to do this week. Okay, now last week was cardstock. This week is pattern paper. So for the level 1, for just a simple summer space shape up, what you can do is just find any piece of pattern paper laying around that's not where it's supposed to be, put it in a pile. Simply, that's all you need to do. Put it in a pile and just stick it somewhere that's not on your desk. Okay, someplace where you don't trip over it. But I will be honest with you and tell you this is a small pile of what I need to address, because I've done a lot of scrapbooking, I've done a lot of projects, and yeah, I have a huge pile I need to address, and so I'm glad week 3 is here. I need to get it done. So I wanted to show a tip. If you're someone that doesn't want to put things yet away, but you want to do a little bit more organizing rather than just throw it on a pile, put on a video, preferably me. No, just kidding. Just kidding. Put on a video, put on a movie, and I'll show you what I do when I'm trying to gather up all my papers in my space before I take them to where they need to go. Okay, and you know that's probably going to be in level 2, right? So just hang with me. So what I do is, okay, so my first grouping here is I have We Are Memories Keeper Urban Chic, which this was such an eclectic collection. It was fun. Okay, so what I do is I have it in pile, and then I separate my piles with copy paper. Okay, even when I organize my papers, which I'll talk about that later coming up, is I separate them by copy paper. That's what I do. So my next category is my Ruby Rocket, which, oh, love that company. It's a country collection. And then what's my next one? I have Bo Bunny. And believe me, this is just one pile. I have to, you know, I just wanted to show you what you can do. Just put it in a pile, separate it with copy paper, okay? Don't use scraps, don't use anything, because when you see this white paper, then, you know, and it's cheap, we all have it. And so again, here's a simple stories line, okay? And there's an SEI line. Remember those days? Okay, again, see how I just have them separated with copy paper? That's what I want to do, because, you know, if you just put a whole stack of paper, it's hard to know what goes with what. So these are some of my collections I need to put away. Some will go in collections, some will go in themes, and I'll talk about that in another video. So, to go over for week 3, what are you going to do? You're going to revisit your desk, any sketches, classes, inspiration, you're going to put that away, and you're going to revisit cardstock. Okay, those 3 things. And that really should only take you like 3 minutes, a minute each. Look and do, put that away. And then address a handful of photos, address your crop bags or shopping bags or both, and pattern paper. Just get it in one place. Perhaps maybe separate it by some paper, or somehow you can separate, maybe post-it notes or something like that. Separate it so when you do have time, you know where it goes. Okay, so that is week 3. Now, if you want to go to level 2, follow me along, because we're going to do some more. Okay, level 2. Now, these are the things I'm going to be doing over the next week. And I said next week, that's the next 7 days, because it'll probably take me 7 days to do what I want to do as far as my pattern paper. So if you're a level 2 shape up gal, what are we going to do? Yeah, you know, I'm going to bring this out. We need to address our basket again. Just set the timer for 15 minutes and address it. Or just pick out one thing and address it. Like, I still have these things in here for my sister. Well, when she's home long enough, I'll probably give them to her, or when I see her. But they're just going to stay in there because I don't want them on my desk. And it's something I need to address. So, address your basket. Okay? If you're a level 2 gal, you know what we're going to revisit? Another pile. Yes, you're going to find another pile. It can still be the same pile. Raising hand here. I'm still working on the same pile from week 2. You're going to spend 15 minutes. Again, set the timer. 15 minutes. That's all you have to do. Not the whole pile. You might want to address the first 5 items. That's okay. Just address one pile. Okay? And our last thing for level 2 of this week is that, again, we're going to, you know, do the pattern paper, but we're going to go a step further, and you're actually going to pick, you know, you're going to get it all in one place, of course, and then you're going to separate it into collections or themes or however you organize that, and you're actually going to put some away. Now, do I expect you to get it all put away? Oh, that would be nice, but I'm telling you, my stack is this times 4. Why get it all put away? I'm going to try, but if you don't, that's okay. We're going to revisit it again, but try to work as hard as you can and getting that done. Maybe just 15 minutes a day, work on pattern paper, okay? And then if you see something that you're out of, you know what I'm going to say. Get out your little wish list, make some notes of what you need to buy and what you need to stop buying, okay? I know some things I need to stop buying, and I have. That's why I'm on a spending freeze. Okay, so if you're a level 2 shape up gal, what are we going to do? You're going to revisit your basket again. You're going to address a pile for 15 minutes, and you're going to go a step further on your pattern paper. You're actually going to put some away, okay? And take note of what you maybe need and what you definitely don't need. Okay, that is going to be our week 3 of our summer shape up. If you have any questions, you need any help, list it in the comment section below. And also don't forget that just because it's week 3, that doesn't mean you can't go back to week 1 and week 2 and keep working, or, you know, I still have something for week 2 I need to keep working on. It's no big deal, okay? It's just pick one thing from the list. And if you have some extra time, you can go back and say, well, I didn't get that done from week 1. I'll do it this week. It's all good, right? Okay, so that is our week 3 for our summer space shape up. And come back to RTS next week because we'll have week 4. Okay, and what else do I want to say? Oh, yes, come back to RTS because you never know what we're going to do. Bye.